I welcome everyone to my channel. Today we'll talk a little bit about the intimate. Well, this happens sometimes with athletes. Such a thing as a fungus in the perineum. Here, especially when you ride a bike there or a very long race. Well, summer, heat, well, such things sometimes happen. I had such an infection 2 years ago. In short, I started running around all kinds of clinics. They attributed a bunch of ointments there. I tried it. I really tried 3 ointments of the best there, like until smart doctors told me, well, at least we have normal ointments in Ukraine now. Well, they stuff all sorts of nasty stuff into those ointments and there is nothing useful there. They just don't help. As a result, I had to find some kind of witch doctor there who makes them herself. In short, it cost me 2,000 hryvnias. In short, the easiest way. A long time ago I listened to such a Professor Neumyvakin, here, who likes to talk about hydrogen peroxide there. I like to indulge myself doing all sorts of things there. In short, he told me that there is a fungus on the nails, for example, is removed with peroxide, compresses with hydrogen peroxide. I tried, and what is not allowed here in this way to try. In short, it turned out very simply. Hydrogen peroxide costs 17 hryvnia, that's 44 cents there today. You take donuts there, savor them and at night just, well, you put pochiki or sponges there, well, as you already think of yourself. In short, you just need to do compresses. That's right, the process of earning this fungus is very simple, but it's hard to cure. Therefore, the process takes up to 3 weeks anyway, but the result is cheap. Hydrogen peroxide is generally like such a natural remedy, no nastiness. Such an intimate thing today, I think it's useful to share with you today. So hydrogen peroxide is cheap, reliable and natural. In general, I advise you to read the book Neumyvakin's Peroxide. Listen to him now, there are a lot of materials there with peroxide. It is very useful to wash your ears and nose there, as an antiparasitic thing from a mushroom. Drinking there with a little water is sometimes periodically useful. Well, here is such a thing, which is not advertised by doctors in Nikemi, because well, most likely it is probably not profitable. Subscribe to my channel, there are a lot of useful and interesting things here.